Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the new version of Codemurai, version 0.2. So before I get started, this version is only available for people who have pre-purchased Codemurai. That includes people who supported our Kickstarter campaign and also people who have pre-ordered all of the content directly from Zenva Academy. So if you go to Zenva Academy, you can pre-order Codemurai as well and be added to the list of testers. So this new version will be available not just on Android like the previous version, but also on iOS. So no matter what your device is, you'll be able to start using it, give us feedback. Please keep in mind that this is not the final version and there might be bugs and also things that will be improving. So we have a new topic screen, much nicer than the previous one. The courses that you see with the eye are the ones that are not visible yet because we haven't started the content for those, but we already have a lot of content in these other two topics. So let's say that your goal is to create websites. So you go to web development and then you'll have a list of different web development courses available for you. At the moment we have HTML, we have CSS, and we have JavaScript. As you can see, we now have stunning course banners as well to make this page a lot nicer than it used to be. So let's say I want to learn HTML. So in my case, I already completed all the content, all of the lessons, but let's revisit one of them. Let's start with tags. So lessons in Codemurai are a mixture of content like this, with images, with text, with code snippets, and also exercises. So you can have exercises like this where it's multiple choice, you pick one, you get it right, you get an explanation. There are other types of exercises too, such as questions where you have to write the answer, like in this case, for instance. So the answer here will be H1, and that gives me the correct answer. And also for this new version of Codemurai, version 0.2, we have a couple of new exercises. One of them is dragging and dropping elements so that you can simulate when you're coding and you want to sort something out. So let me see if I can show you a demo of that. So we've got a testing lesson here. So for example, if I want to declare a variable in JavaScript, this question would be something like, how can we declare a variable in JavaScript? I can drag and drop the elements here so that our code gets formed in this way. And obviously this is the correct answer and you can submit it, but if you had something, you could, maybe you're not getting it right, and then in that case you'll just get that it's a wrong answer. So this is also new. We've got now a lesson complete screen where you gain experience points. So we've got here the total of experience points that you have at the moment. In further lessons we'll build up on this and add a lot more gamification elements as well. And now we've got a weekly challenge. So if you complete a lesson each week, each day of a week, and that week starts the first day you start using the app, you're gonna get an extra bonus, an extra surprise of bonus of experience points. So also we've got now inbuilt feedback. So you can rate each particular lesson if you like it or if you don't like it, and you can also optionally type some more feedback here. And we're going to be reading all of this feedback and considering it when developing further content. We're measuring everything you do within the app so that we can identify what lessons are easy, what lessons are hard, what exercises people get wrong, which if everyone's getting an exercise wrong, it probably means we are doing something wrong. So in that case, we go and fix the lesson. So we are very much aware of what you are doing here and trying to improve the app as much as we can. What else is new? We've got now a dashboard/user profile, which shows you just a summary of your current stats. So let me show you what this looks like when I go to a course that I'm already taking. So I'm gonna go back, and this is now my current course, and also see how this lesson that we started now shows you the progress, how far you've gone in the lesson. And if we go to the profile now, you see now that it shows me the progress bar, that nice progress bar. Also, within the lesson, we now save your progress locally on your phone. So this is not the first page of the lesson. We're already sort of a third way in, and that top bar as well is new. It wasn't around on the previous version. So that's pretty much what we have in store for version 0.2. The Android version is actually already released. If you already have the app, it should be updating, or the update should be available in your Play Store. So go to your Play Store, update your app. Um, if you're on iOS, the beta version is in review, so that might take a few more hours, maybe another day or a couple of days. You never really know when it comes to iOS. You don't have any certainty of any times. It could take weeks, it could take days, hours, but it'll eventually be there, and you'll receive an email with instructions to download it. Now, if you haven't pre-ordered Codemurai yet, I think you really should, because this is a great way to learn programming on your while you're on the go, and we're adding a lot of exciting content. Also, being part of a product that's being built gives you a lot of power because you can give feedback, and there's a high chance that that feedback will get included, or at least it will get considered. So if you do pre-order Codemurai, giving you access to the alpha version is not something that will happen automatically. It will only happen if you request it. So if you purchase this and you want alpha access, you then have to go to zenva.com and go to contact and let us know that you want alpha access, because we have to manually add each person. And you have to tell us what platform you're using. So if you want the Android version, you have to give us your Gmail address, or the email that you use with your Android device. If you're on iOS, you just need to give us any email, and we'll be able to send you that, well, as soon as it's approved, obviously. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments, or whatever you can do it. Also, you can message us privately if you want.